What is an experience that changed your life?
Me leaving my country, Nigeria, and coming to Ghana by myself when I was 18, it really changed me. It's made me be a strong woman. It's made me be able to stand on my own, be able to make some decisions, some critical situations.
Any particular incident you can point out whilst being in Ghana?
I saw myself through school, and during that period it's not easy because I was like schooling and working back to back. I wasn't really having time. It's always from work to school, from work to school. Yeah, like that alone was really stressful, but at the end of the day, I mean, I'm grateful to God because I came out well.
What do you like about Ghana?
Peaceful. I mean, it's peaceful. It's a free country. Yeah, if you respect yourself, you mind your business, no one will trouble you. But when you start troubling people, that's when you get trouble. But it's a peaceful country.
And what would you tell people who haven't been to Ghana yet?
Okay, they should experiences. I mean, I like traveling, so I mean, they can experience Ghana. Ghana is cool. It's a nice country to be in. Yeah, it's just that it's expensive. It's very expensive.
Things I had to learn when I moved to Ghana. Ghanaians always try to be so extra polite. They'll put please with everything. Good morning, please. No, please. Yes, please. Good evening, please. Jump off a bridge, please.
Dear Ghanaians, stop saying please after every sentence. Like, please is a word used for specific context, right? Stop saying yes, please. No, please. Can I help you, please? Where do you want to go, please? That's not how the word please is used. How do I zoom this shit back out? Please is used like, can I have a drink, please? I'd like to order fish and chips, please. Not yes, please. No, please. Can I help you, please? Learn how to use the words.
I am hopeful for the future because if we look at Ghana, let's be honest, Ghana should be one of the wealthiest countries. If you look at the resources, the opportunities that Ghana offers, there is so much youth that can help develop and build a nation because the youth is the future. And if I look at all of these things, I'm very hopeful. And the only thing that I'm really praying for is that the need of the people of Ghana will be prioritized over power.
Vela akataka na fobi no mu ani so a ema mu hu ne ma e wo ma we se mu no nyankopon mo na sa vela no enfri omo ani so hwese de lady a onye Ghana ni no e Nigeria he ya o hwe adanse a odidi fa o ma we se mu hwe enema a oba o my Ghana mu no wa be experience enye ne marketwa 18 years pa an oba o my Ghana mu na in fact enema ono ankasa no wotimi hu se a shape no asisam ama ono ankasa sesi wo hu se yes wa ye nipa no enye enema ketwa asade tie no ye yan ye wa hase ya ye ne alatafo no ba ko mienu bi edinkita hodie bi pen no ye nim se de alatafo no mu bi e behavior esitie in fact omo behavior kwan omo faso ye omo niema ne ade no in fact ana efa ba bi no ahomete kakra nenso otimi safna we ba o my Ghana mu no se de Ghana isi ye calm isi ye cool isi ye quiet ene sede yatete wontete ya papa mu ni ade no ayi kwita suban pa na baby be ku bia me pani kra na obehia no na ne be kasampo a me pa cho ye yusu sa wadi no mbos no abusiafo Nigeria ni ba ha se no moti me hu say yes Ghana ya culture asesan wo niema ahodo bebre emu ama afede onte Ghana hu jai kra enye asenketwa na wo hwe se de obroni a ono so e kasai hwe se de obroni so kasa e de fa oman Ghana ho otimi ho se ono so ehu enema bi e wo oman mu a in fact ebro na adwene ntiase so na hwe se de wo se nya ho meka no de kasa e kire se oman Ghana ye wo niema pa na niema papa ye wo enye niema ketwa de wo hu se oman Ghana so great future enunti na meka se nyame mo na Ghana fo bi no mo a veil akata wo mo ani so a omo enhye de hu se de o ma we se ne ma papa wo mu baby a ye gina bre edu eni baby a ye keka de kona na se de Nigeria fo ikura mo ba Ghana ha mo mo Ghana kwate se o ma bridge o man na ye si ase o man na ye si bi papa bi ni o man na ye si entimi ntumponko na nim no other countries other peoples enso ba ha be seek for greener pastures o man ye ti mo ye si ase mpo ni obusuafo Nigeria fo hwe se de ade achi ade sen na omo bufa so eba oman Ghana mu enye Nigeria nko a ye nearby countries ye hwetwa ye ho ahia nyina obi epeso obo oman Ghana mu omate nkate din na wo oman Ghana mu so ahotoni asundwie a odi nye wo business ahotoni asundwie a wonya no ya na ebura dwen ntiase so oman Ghana ye wade oman Ghana tumpo oman Ghana ekonomy said ye de bia me kan abusuafo de obetum futuro gu ani se oman Ghana sei oman Ghana e papa bi eni mu no said pa no twantro na e bia ebi mo badwen se we e alatani entina ama e dey o kasa saa no o ye Africa he ya no free entina o kasa saa na obroni nso e hwene ma pa o ba o ma we se mu abi hu wo hu se o ma wo future wo hu se o ma wo great future enye asemketo akra wo hu Ghana e wo echichichichichi se o my Ghana e wuska o my Ghana e tumpon o my Ghana e o my bia in fact ye wo dachi papa enye asemketo na we nyina ka obi na ma meni gin ho ye so se me ye Ghana ni enye asemketo abusuafo enkrofo bebre na e ba o man mo di o man ho adanse enkrofo bebre so na eni o man mo wo akwantu mu a o mo nye Ghana fo o mo nye bibifo na so de bia de cha de se nyina o mo praise on be ba o man Ghana mu abusua ya wade papa o man Ghana na yuso mu yi.
I'm a white girl who studied abroad in Africa, so of course, whenever I tell people this, their first response is, "Oh, so you went as a missionary?" No. I'm a white girl who studied abroad in Africa, so of course I bought a djembe drum with my name on it. I'm a white girl who studied abroad in Africa, so of course this is part of my beauty routine. If you know, you know. I'm a white girl who studied abroad in Africa, so of course I moisturize with raw shea butter. I'm a white girl who studied abroad in Africa, so of course these fans are an essential. I'm a white girl who studied abroad in Africa, so of course I got a few items made for myself. I'm a white girl who studied abroad in Africa, so of course random people proposed to me. I'm a white girl who studied abroad in Africa, so of course I wanted to keep some of the money as a souvenir. I'm a white girl who studied abroad in Africa, and I think that Ghana is one of the most incredible countries, and it is so underrated, and it has some of the most wonderful and welcoming people and culture.
So how many times have you been to Ghana?
Like 11 times.
Damn, 11. Okay, that's more than me.
I win.
So I grew up in Chicago, you grew up in Germany. What would you say is the biggest misconception?
I think all these stereotypical misconceptions that there's like a lack of access to a lot of things here, which is not the case. There's so much access to all kinds of things that we in the West have the same.
So you've been here 11 times. What do you love most about Ghana?
The people here. I mean, my people here. My friends.
Are they German or?
No, most of them are Ghanaian or mixed Ghanaian or Nigerian.
What's the most beautiful place that you've been in Ghana so far?
I think my favorite place is Vli, like the waterfalls in the Walta region. I always go there when I need calm.
Have you been to Nigeria?
Nah, never. I heard it's like Ghana on crack.